everybody. I'm Kim.
I'm Keyondra, and we are Jolie Noire.
Today we are talking about our fall favorites. Some of these are new to us, some of them are not, but these are the things that have been tried and true in our routines or in our day-to-day use. So guys, stick around because you don't want to miss it.
I know you guys have probably heard me talking about the Clinique Moisturizer. So number one, this is probably one of the best moisturizers that I've ever had. I saw a girl by the name of Sadie Solify. I can't remember how to pronounce her name, but her name is Sadie, and I've been following this girl since 2014, and she is so dope and so bomb. But I love her skin as well. So I saw that she posted about Clinique's Moisture Surge, and I went to Target and I got it. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's rich, it's creamy, and it has a nice texture to it. I used that and La Roche-Posay, but this one it just really makes my skin feel really good. I went to Target in one of our recent vlogs, and I was like, I hope that Clinique sends me the Moisture Surge, because they hit me up in my DMs and they wanted to send me some stuff. So lo and behold, thank you, Clinique. They sent me the Moisture Surge, y'all, okay? And so of course y'all saw that in our vlog. I wanted to show you guys this. So y'all, packed in this little jar here is 100 hours of power, okay? It doesn't have a bad scent to it at all. Texture is like it's really creamy, like it's very creamy, and it's almost kind of liquidy too, if you will, you know? I'm just kind of rubbing this into my hand too. But yeah, it feels really good, and it moisturizes your skin for 100 hours. That's what it touts. And when I tell you that my skin feels and looks good, I mean it. And next is the Lip Plump Treatment. So I love this, y'all. I've only tried it this one time since they've sent it to me. But when I tell you that it is one of my favorite balms, I mean that. I'm into lip oils right now. They don't like chap my lips or anything like that. And so it works wonders though. It really hydrated my lips, moisturized my lips, and it's definitely a lip balm favorite. Then next is the NYX Fat Lip Drip Oil. I love their lip oil. I first started using lip oil like earlier this year, and it feels really good on my lips. It doesn't leave like a white film or anything like that. Hands down, this is what I'm reaching for. I have Aquaphor in my bag. Oh, Ulta, they have a lip oil. It's pretty decent, but I ain't reaching for that. Actually, I use Ulta's lip oil at night after skincare, but this is what I'm reaching for. This is what I throw in my bag because this is trusty and reliable, okay? So I love to use it. And then I started with the clear lip oil from them, but then Kim got me into this because it brings like this pretty pouty, rosy look to your lips. And my lips are like a light pink color, and that's not a problem at all. But when I want like a boost of color, I reach for this. One of my favorite lines for fragrances is Finery. I think the only place that you can get it at is Target, but this is really, oh my gosh, like it smells so good. So I had the fragrance in the light. I never remember fragrance names, but I had the one in the light pink bottle at first, but then I went and got this one. If y'all have ever been to Vegas and you booked a room at the SLS, this is the SLS, y'all. Oh my gosh.
What they used to be.
Yeah, what they used to be. Oh, okay. That smells so good, y'all. It smells really good. It smells like a hotel. And I say a hotel, but that particular hotel, it just smelled so good, and like, I don't know, it just did something for your senses, and this definitely does that for me. And then I have a new line that I just found out that Ashley Tisdale from High School Musical, right? This is her line actually. So Frenshe is the name of the line, and I've been like going crazy about this line, and y'all know this because I mentioned it in one of our vlogs as well. So these two fragrances They smell really, really good. The first one though that I had was the Cashmere Vanilla. Oh, it is probably, to me, the better of all 4 fragrances. But I got these 2 because I already had some Cashmere Vanilla sitting in my room when I went to Target the other day. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to try the newer ones. And so, but these smell really good. This one is infused. I was about to say it gives you like this coconutty scent. It's infused with coconut oil. And then this one is Joy Bliss. And I'm not sure what it's infused with, but it smells really good. You can use it as a body mist, a linen spray, and a hair mist, okay? And so I'm always spraying my sheets with this stuff because I've been wanting a room spray or a linen spray for a while, but I just never really found anything that, you know, I just had to go and get it. And this right here though, hands down, I'm gonna always use this. Y'all better keep it Target. One of my favorites this fall is a set. Y'all, I'm in love with a set. Oh, you know what? And a sweatshirt. But, I mean, a set comes with the sweatshirt, so whatever. But yeah, so I'm in love with Target's sets. Oh my gosh. This last drop that they had, so dope, so bomb. Everything feels buttery soft. This sweatshirt that I got, oh my goodness. Now this one, the sets and the leggings that I got, they're by All in Motion. Yeah, they're by All in Motion. But this sweatshirt is by A New Day. Very soft, very buttery. And I just like feeling that on my skin when I'm wearing, you know, any type of thing. All the leggings look good. I love all the colors that they chose. Like, the colors work well. If you guys look at the video before our last vlog, it's the Target and Victoria's Secret workout or athletic wear video. If you see that, you'll see all of the different combinations. I mean, it just feels good, looks good, and feels good and looks better in person.
Like Keyondra, one of my favorite things is a set. I've set out this fall to do really almost nothing but sets because we're being active right now, you know, getting our steps in and working out. And I wanted something that I could feel good in and that I could move well in and that not only felt good on my skin, but that also, you know, looked good. So I have this set here. This is one of the green ones, or this is the green set that I have on in that video, the workout outlook, you know, outfits video for All in Motion and Victoria's Secret. We'll tag it. Yeah, so this one, I love it because I had to have the leggings when I saw them. We saw them in Target at first and they didn't have them in the store. And so I went to their website and I was able to find them there, but I didn't want to get them full price. I've always said no matter how much money I make, I will always want a deal. I like a good deal, okay? I'd rather keep most of my money than, you know, give you know, everybody my money. But so I did get these on sale and they have, the leggings are so soft and they stretch well. So they have like these 2 white stripes down the sides that I really like because it's like cute and sporty. And then the top, I don't know if they intended for these pieces. I think what they meant to do was like have them able to mix and match. And so I did pair it with the sweatshirt. This sweatshirt and this sweatshirt actually are very similar material, if not the same material. So they're very soft, got stretch to it, so comfortable. Up next is a miscellaneous item. It is an item that I never thought I would need, but once I put one on my phone, it's a phone accessory. Once I put one on my phone, I now cannot live without it, and it's a pop socket. So this one, I used to have the one that attached to the phone like almost like a tripod would, but now because the phones are magnetic, they came up with one that's magnetic. So this is the magnetic part here, and this is the pop socket. So what it does is, like, when you're holding your phone, you can hold it like this in your hand, and then your hand doesn't get tired. Now my thumb is in the right place for my entire phone. I do like this, and you can change out these little pop socket parts. I got this from Target, of course, Target. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like around $29. They're so necessary that it's worth it. I don't really have skincare. I'm pretty much a consistent skincare person, simply because I have acne prone skin and I have sensitive skin. So I don't know what's gonna set my skin off. So when I find something, I do tend to stick with it for a while. So I did get something out of my bathroom. This is something that I have loved for quite some time now. And it is the Sol de Janeiro aluminum free, right? Aluminum free antiperspirant or deodorant. I love this one because it is aluminum free. So like I said, I have sensitive skin. So I have sensitive skin under my arms as well. If you guys saw our vlog a couple of vlogs ago during Vlogtober, you noticed that I talked about the like kind of rash-like spots on my neck. Well, I get those under my arms too. I realized that when I don't use an aluminum deodorant, then those spots are lessened under my arms. So I did move over to an aluminum free deodorant, and this one works the best. I heard that the native one didn't work at all for people, so I wasn't gonna try it. But I did try this one, and I actually do love it. During the summer, I was wearing the Dove, spray version, because I really like the fragrance of their cucumber one. And so I was like, well, you really like that fragrance, and you know that works. You had been wearing it for years, and forgetting the fact that it breaks me out. So and then it also lessens, because like I think it clogs my pores under my arms too. So this is very helpful for that. So I moved over to an aluminum free deodorant. I went back to this one because I did try to see if like Dove had an aluminum free one, and they have one, but it's not in the fragrance that I want. I love this fragrance. I love this fragrance in all of their products. They have the body cream, they have the body mist. I love this fragrance in all of them, so why not? So up next is Rare Beauty's Happy Lip Oil. It's a tinted lip oil. I love this lip oil. You guys have questioned like what's on my lips quite a bit. I've had questions on my social media. What is on your lips? Like, what color is that? It's a very pretty berry color, and it goes on pink, but then it kind of tints down more like a berry color, giving your lips just like a nice tint. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss or lip oil. I remember when I was younger, in my 20s, I had a bag full of lipsticks, like MAC lipsticks. Like I had black, I had navy blue, I had purple. I was doing the most, okay? Some of those I probably revisit, like the Candy Yum Yum, I probably still do that. Rebel, I probably still do.
Ruby Woo,
Ruby Woo is still, yes, that's a grown shade for me, okay? So I love that one. But I am more inclined now to wear just a simple lip oil, tinted lip oil. I'm into more tinted things, even though I have acne prone skin, and I'd still like a nice tinted something. I like to look like me the most, and looking like me the most is the least product. One of my favorite fragrances that I did not think I was gonna like. When I first went into the store, I tried it on and I was like, it smells very metallic-y on me. I loved how it smelled on Keyondra. I loved how it smelled on one of our friends, but it just did not work for me, in my opinion. But what I realized is that I had to wear it a while. They said that you need to at least wear it for 20 minutes in order to kind of know how it will work with your body. And that is Glossier You. So this works like kind of differently with your body chemistry. Everybody has a different body chemistry, and so it kind of mixes well with what you've got going on within your body, the way the Lord made you. And so this is perfect, and it's gonna smell a little bit different on everybody. And for the girls who want a unique scent, then this is probably gonna be that for you, because you don't want to smell like everybody else. Then technically you're not gonna smell like everybody else. But I get so many compliments on this. I've gotten stopped by guys, by women, like, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? And I'm like, this is that. It's you. And then I'll layer like my YSL or Joe Malone, anything like that, for a combination that's even more me. So it's more moi.
Right, yeah.
But yeah, so this one, I really do love it. It has notes of amber in it, and it has a little musk. So I'm like a warm, musky fragrance person. I was a big vanilla person. I still love vanilla, but I kind of branched out and explored different warm fragrances, and I am exploring them all, okay? So this works very well for me. I really do love this. Keyondra actually got this one for me for my birthday this year. And the previous year, so I've been wearing this since 2022. And so I got the smaller bottles, but I was like, let me just, ask for the larger bottle. And so now I'm gonna forever get the larger bottle, because now that I really know that this is something that I will wear often, yeah, it's definitely bigger bottle days. If they come out with a bigger bottle,
we will be having
it's coming
one.
to me. This Discovery Kit by Salt and Stone. I actually realized which fragrance I like the best in this set. If you guys saw one of our vlogs where we were in Anthropology and I was buying this Discovery Kit, I couldn't remember because I had tried 2 of them and I couldn't remember which one was the one that I liked the best. I did like 2 of them. I had only smelled 2 of them at that before that time, and I smelled the Santal and Vetiver. I think that's how you pronounce that. And so as you can see, I've used a decent amount of it since I got it last. This was about 3 weeks ago, I think, that I got this. And so I like that one, but the one that I realized that I really like ran out of it today. Well, I think I have a little bit left. Right in there is the Bergamot. And Bergamot has become, it's Bergamot and Hinoki. And Bergamot is like, to me, it smells pretty warm. Like, it's not like floral, it's not fruity, but it's like, it just hits home. Like, I don't know, it just feels like it's just wrapping around you, right? So like all the things that I get in Bergamot, I really do enjoy and I love. So I realized, I was like, yeah, you like stuff with bergamot. And then this Discovery Kit comes with the one that I'm using the least. I'm not a huge fan of rose, but when I smelled this in the store, I was like, yeah, I think that can be a thing. Like, this could be a side thing. I probably would buy another one of these, you know, not a full one. But like to layer with stuff, this would probably layer well with the You. But this one is Black Rose and Oud. And so this comes in the Discovery Kit. And these are the 3 fragrances that they have. Being that I found that the Bergamot one is my favorite one, I said, okay, I have to go to the mall today. And so I went to the mall and I got the large one. So I did get the full size of this one. I think that getting the Discovery Kit is perfect because you get to wear the fragrance all day and see how it wears. Because I thought that I liked the other one, the first fragrance that I got. I thought that and I do like it. I smelled it in the store today and I was like, oh, this smells so good. I was almost torn again. But I did get this one because I realized that, what I went for most was this one. And so that's what a Discovery Kit is for. It's so that you can wear it and wear it all day, or, and get that feel for it. The last thing for me are a pair of sneakers. My New Balance 960s. I tried these on in Madewell about maybe a couple of weeks ago. About a week ago. And I was like, I don't know, because they're like chunky, they're big. I don't know, this is probably not me. I was like, but the colors are pretty. That's what I really liked, was the pinks. Like, it's nice salmon and really cute fall colors, right? And I was like, I don't know, this sole is probably too thick for me. And I tried them on and I was like, yeah, these look like, Nana shoes to me. I was like, yeah, no, these aren't it. These are not for me. I also wanted to wear them with the coat that I had, that I bought. And so I was like, I gotta have the shoes, I gotta see. And I was like, well, get them in your real size and see if you like them, how they look and stuff like that. And so that's exactly what I did. I ordered them on Madewell's website. And I think they were $150. I do think they're worth it. They're comfortable and they're cute. I've worn them twice and I just got them Friday. So I've worn them twice already. These will just be like my cute sneakers, like my cute fall sneakers. I love these so much. Didn't think I would. I'm so glad that I got them because they're so cute. I love the pink color. And I mean, I'm not really into pinks like that, but like, it's not like bright pink. It's these muted tones and deeper tones of like the pink. So I love these so much.
So guys, that is it for our current favorites. If you want to see more videos like these, let us know in the comments. If you want to shop any of these things, shop our LTKs. All of the information for that is in the description box below. And yeah, we love y'all.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share our videos with other people if you like them.
Love y'all.